Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making homemade doner kebab. First, we'll marinate the chicken. In a medium bowl, combine half cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoon of soft butter, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Squeeze some lemon juice. Mix well, then we'll add the dry ingredients. Some tandoori powder, paprika powder, pepper, some barbecue powder, and some salt. Mix well. Add some honey and mix well. As you can see here, I have cut one chicken breast in pieces lengthwise like this. Now add the chicken and coat well in the sauce and let it sit at least 3 to 6 hours for a more tender and juicy chicken. Once the chicken are marinated, we will pierce a skewer in half of a big onion and place it in the cooking tray. The onion here will give a support to the skewer. Place the chicken on the spike till it reaches at the bottom. Alternate the direction of the chicken in between and give it a round shape. Now cover it with all the sauce marinated and finish it with half of a lemon on the top. Now put them in the oven preheated at 180 degree Fahrenheit and let it cook around 45 to 50 minutes. You can remove them and place them on a flat plate so that you can cut the kebab easily. As you can see here, it is such an easy recipe you can try. Hope you have enjoyed my videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.